Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, and now all of a sudden it's made its way back up to there, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very nice bounce. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level down here at $1.04. Why is $1.04 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about this area here at $1.04. If the price were to break down below there and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price did something else where came down here, behaved like that, and then began to work its way back upwards. Well, what would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined again as $1.04. Perhaps you see this candle close moving like it did right there. That is because the market still is open for a little while longer. So just in the event it actually closes down below here after I stop the video, which, like I said, market closes here soon. But if the price does ultimately close down around here, well, then what I just talked about plays true, meaning the price is now all of a sudden gone back to where it was, and that would not be a sign of true strength. But assuming the price does hold up above the $1.04 mark, the key level of resistance going into Wednesday is going to be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at $1.07. So watch that from the resistance side of things. So all in all, nice bounce today, nice movement underway, and not just a matter of can the price make progress, and one final time progress being defined as staying above $1.04. So let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.